Good morning, everyone, and happy Friday. I hope you guys had an amazing trading week. You guys, I'm going to go over right now. If you're new to this channel, I'm going to go over exact buy and sell signals. Look at every single trade from market open until about 9 o'clock this morning, looking at the max potential that you could have drawn out just by using these metrics. Of course, in a moment, I'm going to give a shout out to everyone who literally just joined yesterday, who have already started making money in the market literally within 24 hours. You guys, if you're new to this as well, I have two things of big news that I'm going to be telling you within this video. So just stick around for another minute or two because you want to hear this. You guys, let's dive in. First thing first, let's go to the charts, show you exactly if you were trading with just one contract on NQ, following every single buy signal. Let's look at good trades. Let's look at trades that just didn't work. Nothing's 100%, but guys, overall, this was incredible. Look at this. So first sell signal right here. What are the rules? When you get a seller buy signal, do one of two things. Either play down to a level of support in the market or resistance, or wait until your white dots close outside of the profit wave. This is our profit wave right here. First trade of the day, first trade at market open, 150 points was the first trade. What did we do? We played it down to a level of support. When is our next trade? We come in right here, right? Buy signal. Boom, right here. Now, I'm going to address these questions too. Justin, I got an email this morning. If you end up having your background switch over, but overall the white dots are still within the profit wave, which do you default to? Guys, default to the profit wave, okay? Let me go like this. Let's make this a little bit bigger. This dot did not close below. So entry, come down, play it all the way up till what? Either a level of support or resistance. Didn't have a level of support or resistance. So the first candle that crossed down right here, 38 points. So up 150, now 38. We then take a sell signal right at this point. Actually, guys, you know what? Right here, that is not the first entry. I have to level with you right there. That was the entry in on the sell. Did at any point this come above our profit wave? No. Did we get a buy signal on the pullback? Yes. Again, this scenario right here happens maybe 5% of the time or less. Again, default to the profit wave. It's okay. Stay within this. Another sell signal is confirmation, drawing it down. Where could we have got out of? Didn't necessarily have a big, strong level of support. Looking left here, though, take a look at this. Support, support. That's where I want you to play this down to. Where did this go to? Right at this area. So this is where I want you to exit out. I'm going to put this here at about 40 points. Then we get into our next trade. We end up getting a buy signal. Let me move this out. This buy signal got illuminated right at this edge here. This was one trade that lost in here. Here's our entry. Where's our exit? Good risk management. Follow it to a T. Right here. Market switched on us, so we get out. We lost on this trade, 22. So I'm going to go 23 points. That was a loss. Okay. Again, actually right afterwards, sell signal got illuminated, market had a different decision, came back up on us, 32. Guys, I'm going to add up all of this here in a second and show you guys. There's also some chop over here, but let's look at this. Buy signal right at the end, worst case scenario, didn't even play it up here. Not even playing to a level of support or resistance, playing it down right here for another 16 points. Did we end up getting some chop in the market here? Yes, let's go through. Sell signal. Did we end up closing below this at all? No. So where did our first exit? Right here. Let's go for 18. Right at this point. Sorry, guys. 18. Now, let's just go with that. That alone, right there. And I know what you guys are going to say is, here's another one. Here's a sell, buy, sell. Look at this. Another huge profit. We're not even going to take in this profit right here. Look at that just alone. Let's add this up right now. And you guys, I am going to get to this news in a second. I'm going to show you. But I want to add this up for you guys and pull out a calculator. Look at just this morning, okay? I actually already pre-filled it a little bit. But look at this. Okay, so 150, right? 150 points plus we end up getting 38 right afterwards. We end up taking on this one 40 points. We then end up taking a loss on this one, 23. So minus 23. Ended up taking a loss on this one, minus 32. Oh, sorry, guys. Let me go ahead and do this again real quick. This is going to be 150 plus 38 plus 40 equals minus 23 minus 32 equals, we end up going up on this one, plus 16. And then this one here ended up having to take out minus 18. Okay, guys, worst case scenario, worst case, 171. One contract on NQ moves $20. That's $3,400 trading this morning by just taking the individual buy and sell signals alone. Guys, this is what so many people are seeing. Right now, I'm going to give a shout out. All these people did was go over, you guys can actually have access to my description in this video. Grab lifetime access for this. If you want to make an investment in yourself, this is the thing to do. Joel, Daniel, Robert, Jeshua, Marco, Brian, Andy, Jaga, Patrick, Steven, a couple more here, Rora, Todd, Evan, David, and one more, Nathaniel, that just joined this morning. Guys, thank you so much. All I did was go over here and click I want this. Look at the 5-star reviews. You guys, I was really, this is so much fun. There's a review that just came through. I did a one-on-one training with someone the other day. I'll go and update this for you guys. 79 to see where we're at today. 13, end up crossing 13. So that's really good. Thank you guys so much. I really do appreciate you. Honestly, I'm having an amazing journey. Take a look at this review here. I met an individual yesterday who was struggling with their trading career, had been on and off for years. I had a one-on-one training with them and completely changed their life around of how they're looking at trading. I set up a specific strategy for this individual, and I have so much faith that this person is going to take their trading career that was struggling and just go through the roof. And I'm getting emails from this individual every day showing profits into the market, and it was such a good review. So that was just 6 hours ago, you guys. 20 hours ago, another 5-star rating that ended up coming through, and then other ones throughout the week. But take a second and look at those and see if any of it resonates to you guys. Of course, all one-on-one training is 50% off. Now, let's get to the part where the 2 announcements in this video. I do want you guys to know, everyone who's getting in right now at this is lifetime access, and you're going to get upgrades for free for life. There is a brand new metrics, brand new, you guys, that's coming out that I am developing right now that's going to be released by Friday of next week. Okay, so everyone that's getting in right now is going to get this for next week. It's smoothing out some of the chop in the market to eliminate this. Our entries, our buy and sells are going to be completely changed and getting more accurately. I will be honest with you guys, all the videos that you're seeing me trade with and posting are not on the new metrics. I will never do that to you guys. I don't want you to think that I'm trading the new metrics and not. I'm leaving those metrics, and I will not trade with those until it's released. So you guys and myself can look at the price action like today that pulled out over $3,000. Ask yourself, if you can pull out $1,000 to $3,000 and make an investment for one time for 99, would you do it? It's honestly why this and myself has been so humbled with how quick this business is going. And trainings, God, you guys, I am not someone here that's going to be selling $1,000 to $2,000 course. This is all in here specifically to help as many people as I possibly can. Everyone will get 50% off on trainings. Now, that's one of the news. The second thing is Take Profit Trader. Guys, I got an alert through them, the prop firm that I use. They are going to be ending their deal for the 50% off very shortly. They haven't told me the exact date. I have to be transparent with that. But guys, if you're looking at a prop firm, when you go over there and sign up, this, for example, is their 150K account. If you type in here, all you have to type in is my future success. So my future success is not going to populate. If I click apply here, it's not going to populate because it's my own code. I want you guys to put that in there. This will take off 50% of every single one. So instead of 360, this is only 180 for a 150K account. The 50K accounts, the 100K accounts, all of those are now down to 50. The best part with this, you guys, is when you get those accounts right now, all the money you spend. So let's say you buy 5 accounts, right? At 100, instead of 360, you spend 180. All of those funds are then sent back to you, and you are paid out your initial investment on your first withdrawal on your pro accounts, literally giving back your initial investment. Now, when you do go to pro, I have to state there is a fee for the 150. It's just $130 to activate it, but all the money you spend right now at the 50% discount is going to come back to you. So you guys, if you're new to my channel, take advantage of this stuff this weekend. And I'm going to come back here on Monday next week, show you guys exactly what I'm doing into the market again, give you as best educational videos as possible. But guys, this is the exact buy and sell signals right now. And I'm telling you, This is the worst case because these new metrics I am so excited to release to you guys. I'm getting pumped just thinking about it. You are not going to want to miss this when it comes out. And I want this to get to tens of thousands to hundreds of thousands of people and see and change so many people's lives. So the one-on-one trainings I have today and I have booked up for next week, I'm so excited for you guys. If you want to do one-on-one trainings, just send me an email. You guys know I get back to you right away. Email's in the description of this video as well, and also the link for Take Profit that's going to give you the discounts. But you guys, I just want this to be a really good experience for everyone. I hope you had an amazing week trading. Have an amazing weekend celebrating the success that you guys had. If you had some struggling days throughout the week, it's okay. Take a break this weekend and come back Monday ready to just freaking kill it and have an amazing time in the market. All right, guys, have a great weekend. God bless. Take care.